Filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma, whose last Hindi release was crime thriller Satya 2 in 2013, is back with docudrama Veerappan, which is based on the life of Indian bandit Veerappan. Veerappan is Hindi version of Ram Gopal Verma's Kannada film Killing Veerappan. On Monday, Ram Gopal Verma launched the trailer of the film in Mumbai at an event where the entire cast was present. In the film, Sandeep Bhardwaj, a theatre artist from Delhi, will be seen playing the title role. When Ram Gopal Verma was asked instead of an established actor why he chose a newcomer for the title role, this is what he said.
See, Veerappan is a character. See, any known person playing the role will look very fake because then you watch the performance, and if there's an unknown guy, you will believe that he's Veerappan.
Meanwhile, Ram Gopal Verma also revealed why he makes only dark and crime thrillers. Besides, he also explained how this Hindi version of Veerappan is different from his Kannada version.
Right from my first film, which makes me do these so-called gangster or whatever films. And why I'm obsessed with the criminal mind, maybe deep within I have a criminal mind. And I never had the guts to become a criminal, so I kind of live my fantasies on screen. But jokes apart, I think it is something very larger than life. Characters interest and intrigue me, and Veerappan probably is the most intriguing character ever I've heard of or I've researched over the years. I was always very interested in the character right from the time I heard about him, maybe more than 15 years back, and over the years, even after his death, and his story is like a Mahabharata spanning over more than 25 years. And it's very difficult to know which segment of it can be captured or will be most interesting to present the spirit of Veerappan. And then about a few years back, I happened to meet a person who's involved in the operation of killing Veerappan. So it is with him that when I started talking to him, and then I met Veerappan's wife, and then some informants who were actually mediating between Veerappan and the police and various people who had kidnapped over the years. And gathered from all that, I'd made this film in Kannada called Killing Veerappan, which was like a big hit, but that completely concentrated upon just one operation, because Karnataka people know pretty much a lot about Veerappan, so there's no point in feeding the same information. A criminal like Veerappan technically never existed anywhere in the world. Why I'm saying the world? Because it doesn't have an organization like a terrorist organization or some kind of a state-sponsored rebel gang. He's just an ordinary criminal, yet he managed to make the, 3 state polices, including the government, central government support, giving the border security force, which they couldn't kill him or capture him for more than 20 years. And more than 700 crores was spent to capture him. Until the day an intelligence operation, finally they managed to put an end to the greatest villain ever who lived on the earth. So that elaborateness made it on a large scale, and there's a biopic angle to it, but at the same time, it talks about the men and women who were involved in the intelligence operation and finally succeeded, and that's what the film is about.
The film also stars Lisa Ray, and it is set to release on May 27. INS report.